I will often find when I'm building a table, so for example, this table is comparing different uses of the average and average A functions against different data sets and showing the different results. I will often need my text in the top row, and sometimes on the left-hand side too, to go across multiple columns. So here you can see that this row here, I have one entry that goes across 5 columns, but then I have 5 separate columns underneath that. To get that effect, you use merge and center. So let me turn that off. So I'm going to click on the range of cells I want to be merged together. All of my text needs to be in the top left cell in that range. And then I just go to Home, Merge, and Center. And that takes the text in cell B1 and merges it across cells B1 through F1. So it merges the cells and it centers the text. If I had text over here, and I tried to do that, I'm going to get an error message. Merging cells only keeps the upper left cell value, discards the other values. If I say OK, it goes ahead and merges, but I lost that text from cell E1. Now, I usually do this across one row or one column, but you could easily do it across a number of cells. So I have in other circumstances, for example, merged 4 cells together. And I usually use the Home tab to do this. Home, Alignment section, Merge and Center. But you can also do so in the mini formatting menu. And this is going to mess this up, and that's fine. See, so that kept the 1 from the top left corner and merged those 4 cells into one. And then I could unmerge them by clicking back here or clicking on the Merge and Center up there once more. And there are a few other options under there that I talk about more in the books, but Merge and Center is the big one that I use.